Now I am going to tell you how to interpret the weight for age, height for age and weight for height. Example, 4 years old female child, weight is 4 kilogram, height 95 centimeter. Then weight for age, patient weight divided by expected weight. So we know at the 4 years of age, expected weight will be 16 kg. By the formula age in years into 2 plus 8. So 4 upon 16 into 100, weight for age will be 25%. So it is significantly decreased. According to the IAP classification, patient is having severe acute malnutrition if the weight for age is less than 50%. Now height for age. Patient height is 95 centimeter and expected height at the 4-year age is 100 centimeter. So 95 upon 100 into 100 is 95%. So for the girl child at 4 years age, this percentage is either normal or in -1 SD. So we can consider it either normal or in -1 standard deviation. When you will see the table for the height for age according to the age and gender. Now weight for height. So here we will put the patient weight 4 kg and this is the expected weight at the patient height. So patient height is 95 centimeter and 95 centimeter height generally achieve at the age of 3 years. So at 3 years age expected weight will be 14 kg. So 4 upon 14 into 100, 28.5%. So it is significantly decreased. And similarly weight for age is also significantly decreased. So whenever patient is having decreased weight for height, we label as a acute malnutrition because this will be only affected in acute malnutrition, and patient is having weight for height less than 75%, that means severe acute malnutrition is there. Now another example, 4 years age, female child, weight is 10 kilogram and height is 75 centimeter. So weight for age, we will calculate similarly patient weight divided by expected weight into 100, 62.5%. So it is also decreased. So according to this, patient is having moderate malnutrition. Now height for age, 75, patient height divided by expected height 100 into 100. So it is 75 centimeter. It is also decreased. As we know, it is under -3 SD. Now weight for height, patient weight divided by expected weight at the patient height. So patient height is 75 centimeter and this height is achieved at the age of 1 year. So at the age of 1 year expected weight is 10.5. Here we will keep the weight according to the patient height. Expected weight according to the patient height into 100. So it is 95.23%. It is normal. So whenever it is more than 90%, we consider as a normal. So weight for height is normal. Weight for age, height for age is both are affected. That means patient is having chronic malnutrition. Whenever weight for height will be affected, that means patient is having acute malnutrition. Now I am giving you another example. Now this is third example, 4 years old, 17 kg weight, 75 centimeter height. So weight for age, patient weight 17 kg divided by expected weight 16 kg into 100. So 106.25%. So it is increased. Now height for age, 75 divided by expected height 100 into 100, 75%. This height is under -3 standard deviation. It is decreased. Now weight for height, 17 kg weight, patient weight divided by expected weight at the patient height. So height of the patient is 75 centimeter, 1 year age height. So expected weight at the 1 year is 10.5 into 100, 161.9%. So it is significantly increased. So patient is having short stature with obesity because height is decreased while the weight for age and weight for height both are increased. Now this is another example, 4 years age, weight is 8 kilogram, height is 88 centimeter. So weight for age, patient weight 8, divided by expected weight into 100, it is 50 centimeter. Sorry, 50%. It is significantly decreased. Now height for age 88, patient height divided by expected 100 into 100, 88%. It is also decreased. Now weight for height 8 upon 12. This is the expected weight at 2 years age, because this height is of 2 years age into 100, 66.6. So whenever all three parameters, weight for age, height for age and weight for height, all three are decreased, that means patient is having acute on chronic malnutrition. When only weight for age and height for age both are decreased, in previous example I said chronic malnutrition. When only weight for height and weight for age is affected, as in previous example, it means it is acute malnutrition.